It has arrived, and I'm going to share the moment with you on film. I actually had to juice the camera up, so my heart's been pounding. I've been shaking. I was not expecting the book today. I have been waiting 7 years for this, almost 7 years, 6. Here it is. Oh my God. This is a beast of a tome. Oh my God. Bryson. Bryson, we did it. It's here. All this hard work, it's here. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect. It's just as I envisioned it. Oh, thank you so much to everyone who helped, who made this possible. My beautiful son, all the interviews and your life story that you gave me to contribute, to my family for supporting me, for Christine and John Goda, your support absolutely made this possible. Without you, it wouldn't have happened. Thank you to my mom for all the proofreading, the bibliography help, Susan Horning for the bibliography help, for all my Patreons, to all my friends and family who have provided support and encouragement. Wow, it's beautiful. It's full color. It's a full color book. It's like a textbook. It's my magnum opus. A lot bigger than my first book, that's for sure. Get the size comparisons here. Oh my gosh. So as soon as the publisher gives me the go, and I will let you know the release date. I can't wait for you to get your copy of Nurturing and Empowering Our Sons. I'm so excited, and woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! We did it, Bryson. Good job, Mom, he said. Good job, Bryson. Thank you.